Hi guys, this is Vishwanath. This is my first YouTube video. This video is to help students who dislike traditional mathematics. So today I'll be sharing few concepts which can be applied to various topics in mathematics or quantitative aptitude. These concepts require only basic arithmetic. So today's topic is how to make use of ratios in quants. Let us begin with the sample question which is displayed in the video. This question is from time, speed and distance topic. So in the question we have a ratio which is 3:5. So first what we do is we have to decide each of this value in the ratio corresponds to what. Now in the question it's given that the usual speed decreases, so which results in increase in time. So in terms of time, this 3 corresponds to the usual time, whereas the 5 is the increased time. So once you have decided this, we have to take the value. The value is nothing but difference in time, which is 20 minutes. So the difference between usual time and increased time is 20 minutes. Now according to the ratio, the difference is 2. So what we do is we consider 2 parts as 20 minutes, which gives me each part as 10 minutes. Now if you multiply this factor with the given ratio, we get the actual values of time, which is 30 and 50 minutes, where 30 minutes corresponds to the usual time. I hope it's clear and thank you everyone.